This is Avalon King Armor Shield Nano Ceramic Coating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be ceramic coating my wife's 2020 Hyundai Tucson with this stuff. It's Armor Shield Nano Ceramic Coating. Everything I've heard about this ceramic coating is just incredible. The results are amazing. It's super easy to apply and just a great product. I've already washed the car yesterday, went over it with a clay mitt, and I used my DA buffer to do a high-speed polish on this using Meguiar's Mirror Glaze number 205, which is basically a swirl remover. The only thing that's left to do on the car at this point is to go over it with alcohol, so I'll be using 70% isopropyl alcohol to wipe it down, and then it's ready for the coating. So I cannot wait to see how this thing turns out. Again, everything I've heard is that the shine is incredible. So once I coat it, I'm going to let it sit in the garage for about 24 to 48 hours, hopefully 48 hours if my wife doesn't need to go anywhere on Saturday. So without further ado, let's get on with this project. Down. Stay. All right, guys, so here it is. This is 2 days later. Unfortunately, it did sprinkle a little bit, so there's some spots on the top of the car, but as you can see, if you're looking down the sides, it just looks incredible. The shine is insane. Reference. There I am. It's like a mirror finish. It's incredible. So just a couple of final thoughts on the application and the end result of the ceramic coating. The application process was incredibly easy. Really, the hardest part of it was the prep work. Doing all of the, washing the car and then going over it with a clay mitt, and then doing all of the buffing and polishing, and then the alcohol wipe. But once all of that stuff was done, putting the product on was incredibly easy. And what was even really more surprising was how easy it was to level out all the excess with the microfiber towel. The end result is amazing. The car looks so incredible. My wife's car is a 2020. It's got 4,700 miles. It primarily lives in the garage, so it doesn't get much of the weather and the elements. And so I expect this ceramic coating to last 5 years plus. We both work from home, and so we don't do a lot of driving. And so this is gonna be pretty awesome. Next up is gonna be my Corvette. I'm gonna remove all of the matte black accent wrap that I've done on it and replace it with Vivid's Ultra Gloss Black, which is supposed to look as good as paint from what I understand. Super excited about that. So make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe and the notification bell if you want to see that video coming up. Lots of other projects coming down the pike. So again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the future contents. All right, so that's it for me. You guys have an awesome week. God bless you guys, and we will talk to you soon.